Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica J if you're new here. And to all my returning subscribers, hello, how are you? So today is an exciting day. We're gonna do a holiday house tour. So we're just gonna cover the areas that we already covered in our home tour series. I'm still working on my living room, which is gonna be a project. So that one will come another day in another video, but I'm excited to show you guys what we did so far. So let's go. Okay, so we're gonna start with this area of my kitchen. So I got these magnolia stems from Michael's for the fall season, and I just really love how they look. So I decided to leave them for Christmas, and I just added some stems from my front yard just to kind of mix some real and fake and make it more branchy, because like I said in my kitchen tour video, I felt like this area craved some warmth. So I just left it. I absolutely love this. I'm not ready to get rid of it. So we're gonna leave this here. And I love how it can go for fall or winter, so I can leave this up even after Christmas, which is a plus. And then I added my concrete bowl. I made a bunch of concrete bowls, and I just added some pine cones. So over here, I have my Athena Calderon cookbook. I absolutely love this book. And then over here, I added this little nutcracker. I love how he's gold. I like adding touches of gold or brass throughout my house. And then in my vase, I took out the pumpkins. No, I took out the bunny tails. I used to have bunny tails in there, and I put in this little cedar, I think it's a cedar stem from Target. It's from their Hearth and Hand line, and I love how realistic this thing looks. Now over here, I didn't add too much. I just had my fruit bowl. I kept everything over here the same. I just added a little bit of, you know, Christmas cheer here and there. I still have my cutting boards here, and then I got this candle from, I think it was Home Goods, and I did add this kitchen towel. It's a hot cocoa recipe on there. It's so cute. It's from the Hearth and Hand line, and of course I had to get it. Kind of goes with the theme of my hot cocoa bar. So this area, I kept it very basic. This is where I moved my Nespresso machine so I can do a whole cocoa bar on the other side. But I like it over here, and I just added these cute little cocktail napkins. It says naughty or nice. How cute is that? And then I have my candle burning over here. This is by Sensational. I got it from Home Goods, and it's in mulled cider. And we made it to the hot cocoa bar. You guys, I am so happy with the way it came out. I wanted it to be, you know, fun for the kids, but I also wanted it to be something that I can leave out the whole month of December and it just looked good and not too, you know, like kiddish or anything. So I feel like I have a nice little balance of both of those things here, and I just really could not be happier with how it came out. So over here, I have this little dessert tower. I took out the middle plate so that I can add cups over here. I was gonna get one of those towers that kind of has, you know, the cups hanging from them like this, but I already had a tower, so to save money, I just decided to do it this way, and then I added the little sprinkles up top. So over here, this thing right here is new. I got it from Target. It's from the Project 62 line. It's a marble tray, and it is beautiful. I don't know if it's new, but I feel like I just needed a tray to house all of the fixings for the hot cocoa. So I just have my canisters, which I did get from Home Goods. So I just added marshmallows, little gingerbread cookies, and the hot cocoa. So we have a real Christmas tree this year. So some of the branches was kind of droopy on it, so I cut them off and I just stuck them in this little glass canister. I was thinking about buying one of those, you know, miniature trees from Home Depot, but I decided just to repurpose some stems in here. I think it looks pretty good. And then I made my own wreath. I used the cedar garland from Trader Joe's, and then I bought a metal ring. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I just kept wrapping the garland around it until I got this big fluffy full wreath. And then I just added this little bow right here. I feel like it adds a little, you know, something to the wreath in this area. And then over here we have my sideboard, which it was over by the front door. I decided to move it over here. I did add this garland that I got from Marshall's, believe it or not. I did cut some red berries that were on here. I left the pine cones and just added a couple more. So I did keep my vase over here, and I just added some snowberry, I think that's what it's called, from the Hearth and Hand line. So I just added a few of those snowberry stems. And I didn't want anything too green over here. I didn't want it competing with the garland. So I just wanted something branchy and very organic looking and something that you would see in the winter time. And then I did add some branches from my front yard, mixing the real with the fake. I feel like it gives it more of a interesting look. And I feel like it makes it look more real as well. I did put these little homes right here and they light up. How cute is that? I got these from Target. These Christmas trees was actually a DIY project. They were actually green, which the green color was a really beautiful green, but I just wanted to do something different this year. So I spray painted them black, white, and then this beautiful brass color. And I just love how it came out. This gives me like CB2 vibes all the way. That's like one of my favorite stores right now, and I love it. I love the minimal and modern look, and it matches my decor. I love it. And then over here in my dining room area, so this is actually going to change. I'm going to do a whole table setup for the holidays. So for now, I just want to keep it simple, and then the whole table setup is going to be another day and another video. So this is my moss bowl, and I just took out the moss and just added some pine cones and a little bit of cedar. And then our beautiful Christmas tree. I love our Christmas tree. This is actually a real Christmas tree. We kept it very minimal, and really it wasn't by choice, just everything is kind of sold out right now. I did get a tree collar. It was originally brown and I just spray painted it black, so it just went with the vibe. We do have a live cocktail making happy hour video coming soon. So I'm thinking a Saturday. Let me know if the evening's better for you, the afternoon. Let me know down below so we can figure out a time so you guys can all join in and make cocktails with me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.